Hi there, so this is Miss Matthews and Theos Academy. This is our weekly video announcement for the week of April 6th. So let's recap from last week. We had a lot going on. I think your kids did a great job, and you as well as parents really trying to navigate this whole situation. So we managed to get online and we all talked to each other online. We did some video chats, and I see a lot of you guys are working hard. Okay, so for this week, to recap, attendance, I will mark all your kids as present unless you tell me for some reason they're unable to work that day. Then I will mark them as absent. Meetings. So we will continue to try to get people online and do some online meetings, especially for crew, to make sure everybody stays connected, and also to clarify any problems, answer any questions, provide encouragement and support to you as parents and to any of your kids that might need it. Google Classroom, so far so good. People have been logging on. They've been able to navigate Google Classroom and maneuver their way to all the different folders. I did my best to try to make sure that all the folders are clearly labeled. If there's anything in there that is confusing for you or your child, let me know, no problem. Okay, so for this week, April 6th, required work. On math, we have iReady, 50 minutes per week. Page 507 to 528 in our math workbooks, all right? Now for the kids where that might be a little bit challenging, I also have worksheets that are consistent with that unit, which is measurement, data, and geometry, just at a different level where it will be easier for them to get through it. And they can still try these if they would like, and they could video chat with me and I can help them through that, or my aide, Mrs. Pierce, would be able to help them through that. For reading, iReady 50 minutes per week, and reading 150 minutes per week, which works out to be 150 divided by 5, because 5 days, so which means you have 30 minutes a day to read. Okay, writing. 1, write about what you read. So whatever you read, after you've read for 30 minutes a day, I want you to write in your notebooks what you read about. What is the main idea? What is the topic? Who are the characters? Whatever it is that you read about. And also, I need you to do 5 lessons per week on Utah Compose, or 1 lesson a day. Those lessons are pretty short and they're specifically assigned to you and your ability. In science, we have this essay that we wanted to do initially as part of our expedition. We'll still work to complete it. It's called Earthquakes, the Human Impact. That's the name of the prompt. It's on Utah Compose. And that is not due till May 4th. So every week, it would be great if your kids can work a little bit on it every week. And page 8 in our preparedness workbook for science. So this workbook was from the Red Cross. We were scheduled to complete it as part of our expedition. It's about us as civilians getting ready for any kind of disaster that might happen to us, and just to be prepared. So I would like the kids to complete page 8 in that workbook. All right? So hopefully this week should be as engaging and as exciting as last week. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can call me, you can send me an email, send me a text. We have Class Dojo, Google Classroom, Google Hangouts. So any which way you decide to call me, I will respond within 1 hour. And your kids may also ask, what order should I do all of these things on? Because it's a question I got last week. They can do it in any order they want. Any order, first, second, third, doesn't matter. But all of those are weekly assignments. It would be great if they do it between the hours of 9 to 3, only because I can provide that support to them online, and my aide, Mrs. Pierce, can provide that support to them as well. Outside of those hours, just hold those questions and then talk to me the next day. If you guys have any questions, let me know.